Over here we're doing the AC on this truck, and the vacuum gauge is running. Here, that's the basic plan about this light. These have better magnets. I want it to go thunk. Yeah, see, it's such a good light because when you do get it going, the light that it puts off is a clean, warm light. Doesn't give you headaches. You can really see what you're doing. I'm just struggling with the magnets. I mean, I know it's big and it's got way up high. I get that, but I want that magnet right there to be a lot stronger. I want it to go boom. Cause I do a lot of work on these trucks, and it's nice just to slam a light up there and be good to go. Or I want to come over here to this wall, and I want it to suck onto this sheet metal. This is going to be galvanized. Boom. So that's cool. So that's the idea. Walk up. Right. Check your magnets, make sure they're clean. Just throw it on the truck. Boom, work light. That's the intention. I just don't trust it because it's high. And high does a good job. But here on the farm, like, I need to throw this magnet light on the truck, and I need to be able to forget about it. I need to drive down to the pasture, come back and go, oh man, the light's still in the truck. And not have it fall off, because this light's what, $600 light. It's pretty cool. It's got a good charger. It's got cool features, but if this isn't strong enough for me, I'm going to destroy it. I want to be able to go boom. That portable light where I need it. Because look, that's beautiful. Pull up on a truck, throw it on there. Plenty of light in the bay. Walk down the bay, do what I need to do. And it's not, the color of the light's nice. It's not too bright, doesn't hurt your eyes. A lot of these LEDs, they give you headaches after a while working with it, but I think they nailed the color tone on this light. Anyway, Nightstick NSR-1516. I've already dropped it a few times. It's held up. The only thing I'd like to see different is have a USB-C style charger on it. I'm sure there's a reason why they didn't do that, but all the rest of the lights are going that way. And I like to just throw my lights in the truck at the end of the day. Use the same cord, charge them all up. And I get in my faster charger port. That's probably a faster charge. USB-C might be slower, but I'd take it. Give me two. This light's got a high. This light's got a high and a low. Toggle high, toggle low. High, low, high. It is nice that it's a nice warm light. All my other engine bay lights are pretty high intensity white light, and it gives you a big headache when you're sitting here trying to diagnose things and figure things out, look for different issues. And then I guess if I need to get pinpointed, I can pull out a different light, hand light, and get in there and inspect things.